Welcome to Close Up on America's Business, the program that takes you inside some of the most unique and successful companies in America. I'm Jim Masters. On each edition of our show, we introduce you to some of the most innovative business leaders in the country today. You'll discover what their products, services, technologies, and business models can do for you, what they're doing to change our world and change the way we do business.
Healthy teeth and gums are crucial to your overall health, and everyone wants a great smile. So for all that, you need a great dentist. Well, we're going to introduce you to a few of them today. Hi, I'm Janice Marie with Close Up on America's Business, and we're here today in Queens at Forest Hills Dental. This is a general dentistry practice specializing in restorative and cosmetic dentistry. Now, they offer a full range of services and use only the most up-to-date technology. And their patients say that the dentist and the entire staff here are so skilled and so gentle that a visit here will give you a great reason to smile.
Forest Hills Dental, it's a dental office which specializing in the different dentistry, such as oral surgery, cosmetic dentistry, root canals, white fillings, all kind of dental procedures. We usually do comprehensive dental care for adults and children, and also we welcome patients on an emergency basis.
Everybody wants to have a wider smile. And the question is, how do you get the results? With this patient, she's a young lady, and it was really important for her career to have a wider smile. But none of the other products worked. And they couldn't give her the effect because her teeth are so sensitive. And the method that we use in our office gets the results as you see on the picture. And she was so happy because she didn't have to go through pain and no sensitivity.
I'm a very squeamish patient. I hate pain. I don't like anything. I don't like to feel anything in my mouth. Fortunately, I don't have a lot of big problems. I'm a singer, so it's very important for me to have a great smile on stage when I greet people. So I wanted to come in and have whitening done for my teeth. I've did my research, and it seemed like this office had the most up-to-date methods, and they had a lot more options than all the other offices I've been to. So I wanted to come in here and get started, and that was great. Yeah.
Somebody's smile is really important because this is what people see when they meet you. This is the first impression. And you can notice some people, they have these hand gestures. They keep their mouth covered with their hand, and that tells you something. And how about the metal that people do not want to see in their mouth? You can spot away that someone has a fake tooth in their mouth because usually the metal in the restorations leave the permanent mark on your gum line and even on the tooth. So we have in our current dentistry right now, we're so advanced that we don't have to use metal in the mouth anymore. Like for example, in this scenario, we had a patient, and you can notice on the photo that she had this old crown that left this horrible mark on her tooth and the gum line. And so we were able to restore that with a crown that had no metal on. And you can see also that she has some of the recession, discoloring on the other teeth. And so we took that into consideration and restored the rest of the smile. So the patient was a happy camper in the end.
These two front teeth specifically, I hated them. They had these little black marks. A friend of mine who works with me in the hospital came here to Forest Hills Dental, and I liked what she had to say. She was very happy. She loved the care. The people were wonderful. I said, okay, I'm gonna come here. So I came here, and they were so nice. They were just so wonderful, like she said. And I met Dr. Rubinoff, and in the consultation, she was like, those two front teeth. She says, I could fix those for you. And so we worked on a plan. The plan was not only to fix my two front teeth, but I had some other issues to take care of. Needless to say, her hands-on care was fantastic. She made me extremely happy because these two front teeth are gorgeous. I love smiling now.
In our practice, what we're trying to do is we try to gain the confidence patient has, patient's trust. And that's why we're trying to educate our patients so they will understand what they need. And that's why we're trying to implement a lot of aid tools we're using in our office, such as digital radiography. We have photo pictures, we have intraoral cameras, And the favorite and unique features what we have here is a digital microscope. So people can watch the procedure on a magnified screen, and in the meantime the dentist can achieve the result that can be possible with the naked eye.
What we try to do at Forest Hills Dental is try to keep up to date with the latest technology.
So this is our unique tool, which is the CEREC machine, and it allows us to save people time and money. So what we do here is we have a broken tooth that we need to do a crown or a porcelain restoration. We take a picture in the mouth and it immediately translates to the computer and generates an image. And we can go ahead and start the processing of forming a crown, for instance in this case, and it has the tools and the memory to give us the ideal results that we want.
When people come to a new place and they need to find a dentist, they want to find someone where they can feel comfortable. It's a clean office, that they'll have no pain, and that they will get the treatment that they need. Our patients get the best treatment and the best results possible. It could be expensive, it could be a financial burden, and it doesn't have to be. And we work with them. We know that they have referred other people. We know that they have so many children that go through treatment like braces, and they have so many other expenses. We understand that, and we try to help them out in every little way possible.
It's my job to make people feel as comfortable as possible, to explain what the procedures are, make sure that they understand what's going to happen, how long that will take, and make sure they're satisfied with the service. Dr. Mark and Dr. Rubinov are amazing doctors, very gentle, very knowledgeable. They know what they're doing, and they're doing it at their best. Our office feels really like a family, and our patients really feel that, and they do enjoy this warm feeling. Basically, they're enjoying their visits.
I came to Forest Hills Dental for a checkup, and before that I'd been getting sick a lot and had a lot of headaches, and they found an infection that had been in my gum for a long time. And I'd been to other dentists every 6 months for checkups, and no dentist had ever found that before. The infection was actually in my front tooth, and that's where I had a crown. And so I had to get a new crown, and Dr. Rubinov is such a perfectionist, which I really like, especially when it comes to my smile. And so she put in a crown beautifully and did work to whiten the front of my teeth so that it matched and it looked really good. And I've had no problems with it since then. I'd also grinded my teeth a lot before, and now I have no grinding, don't have any headaches from grinding my teeth or neck tension, and I think it's all because that crown fits really well and I no longer have that infection.
We have hygienists, and they're the first ones to meet the patients. They do our cleanings, their regular checkups for them. The hygienists, they're very intelligent girls. They also keep up to date with the current technology and techniques. We also have a gum specialist. She's a very qualified person. She knows her techniques. She knows that she will get the results. And everyone who is in need, who needs that referral, is right here on the premises. They don't have to go anywhere, and whatever that needs to be taken care of, we're here to communicate what the patients need so that they're comfortable and that they're taken care of.
I come to this office as a regular patient. I needed a dentist, and the staff and the doctors were very nice. They were awesome. I would recommend my whole family to come here. Actually, my mom is coming here for a much more general procedure than I came here for, but with the information that they gave me, I was able to make my own decision, and it was the right one, and I'm very happy with it.
Forest Hills Dental, for a healthy mouth and a great smile. Reporting from Queens, I'm Janice Marie.
That concludes this edition of Close Up on America's Business. If you'd like more information about any of the companies featured on today's show, please visit our website at closeuptvnews.com. I'm Jim Masters. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.